Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to all of you in the assignment of week 5 and the lecture of day 5. Today our topic is addition and subtraction involving negative numbers. At the end of this lecture you will be able to add and subtract the negative numbers. Now let's start the solution of this question. 4 plus negative 7 minus negative 3. Now first we will solve the addition sign. In your previous class 5 you have learned about the rule left to right. When both signs positive and negative are involved, then we will apply the rule left to right. Means first we will solve the addition and then subtraction. So let's start. Here 4 is positive and 7 is negative. When both numbers have the different signs, then we will subtract these numbers and the answer will be written with the sign which is written with greater number. So let's start. 7 minus 4 is equals to 3 and the greater value has the sign negative, so 3 will become negative. Other value will be written as. Now we will subtract these numbers. Here first we will write these numbers as minus plus 3. First we will multiply this negative sign with this negative sign. The answer will become negative. Now both numbers are with different signs. When both numbers are with different sign, then we will subtract the numbers. So 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative, so we cannot write any sign with 0. The answer will be this. So our second part is here. Negative 3 minus 5 minus negative 8. So let's start. First we will solve these two values. Negative 3 and negative 5, both numbers has the same sign, means we will add these numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now the common sign between both number is negative, so answer will be negative. Other values will be written as it is. Negative 8, negative multiplied by negative, answer will be positive, so 8 becomes positive. Now these both values has the opposite sign, so we will subtract 8 from 8, answer will be 0. Our C part is negative 3 minus 5 plus negative 9. So let's start our lecture. Now both numbers has the same sign, so we will add these numbers. 3 plus 5, 8, and the common sign between both number is minus. Now negative 8, here positive is multiplied with negative, the answer will be negative. Now both numbers are negative, so we will add these numbers. So the answer will be 17 and the common sign between both these number is minus. I hope all your concepts are clear about this lecture. Your assignment is page number 36, exercise 2b, question number 3. You will do the parts of question number 3 are E, F, G, H. Thank you.